Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your e-bike to your phone. First, download the specific app for your e-bike's brand from your phone's app store. Next, make sure your e-bike's battery has at least 50% charge to prevent interruptions. Then, power on your e-bike and activate its Bluetooth or wireless feature, usually indicated by a small icon on the display. This prepares both devices for a smooth connection process. Now, open the e-bike app on your smartphone. Look for a section like Connect Device or Pair e-bike within the app's menu. Your phone should then display a list of nearby devices. Select your e-bike's name from this list. If a pairing code is requested, refer to your e-bike's user manual. It's typically a 4-digit or 6-digit number. This step establishes the initial link between your bike and phone. Once connected, your e-bike app unlocks a range of useful features. You can monitor real-time ride data, including your current speed, total distance traveled, and precise battery level, often displayed as a percentage. Many apps allow you to customize e-bike settings, such as adjusting assist levels or controlling integrated lights. You might also find navigation and route planning tools, and the ability to update your e-bike's firmware for optimal performance. If you encounter connection issues, first ensure your phone and e-bike are within close proximity, ideally within 10 meters. Sometimes, simply restarting both your phone and e-bike can resolve minor glitches. Regularly check for updates to your e-bike app and its firmware, as these often include bug fixes and performance enhancements. For persistent problems, always consult your e-bike's user manual or contact the manufacturer's customer support for tailored assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.